Back home now, many inner-city football clubs are impacted by crime and violence, which often leads to the clubs struggling to gain funding for their teams. One such team is Cassava Super League outfit Central Kingston Football Club, who recently received a boost with a timely injection of gear and cash from a charity group. More in this report. Established in 1968, Central Kingston FC is one of the oldest football clubs in the island. The club has its base at Winchester Park at St. George's College on North Street. But the club, like many across Kingston and indeed the island, has struggled with funding as they look to keep their teams active and competitive. And then there is the issue of crime and violence, which has negatively impacted the surrounding communities and by extension the club. Recently, Central Kingston FC received a boost from the group Rum Team Entertainment, whose members also hail from the Central Kingston area. The group donated gear and a check valued at $450,000. Ava Oakley is a member of the group, and she explains the reason for them coming together to assist the club.
What's happening in the community right now, the violence, it's carrying the guys them together because we have Price Lane, Tex Lane, James Street, Wildman Street, Tellerville take part in the football. So it's benefit everyone because right now the war exports all over. So it's carrying the youngsters to be as one. Michael Howell is the coach of the club's Super League team, and he sought to emphasize the importance of keeping the club going.
Because based on what is happening now, it do a lot. Because at least we know right now, so we don't have a set of youth where I go straight because of this, and it's working.
In expressing his gratitude for the support, Kimani White, who is a member of the club's Super League team, says it's more than just football for them.
It's a form of fellowship, and those who are struggling in the violent areas, they are able to take on the persona that some of us come from, that comes from peaceful environment has, and they can go home and allow persons in their community to understand that, violence is not the way. So when we come here on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so we don't only play football, we talk with each other, and we do the best that we can for each other.
The donation of gear and funds will go towards both the club's junior and senior programs.